So your first year in the music industry, how has that been for you?
It has its ups and downs. It's mostly fun.
Mostly fun. Well, it's supposed to be fun if that's what you're doing, but if you could name one thing that is so challenging as being a new artist, what would that be?
Challenging being a new artist.
Hmm.
I learned that the competition is within yourself, so it's like trying to better yourself. I guess that's the challenge.
Okay. All right. Well, every day is probably a learning experience. I'm sure. I'm sure. So, what brings you out here tonight?
I'm gonna perform.
Ah,
Yeah,
what's the name of the song you performing tonight?
it's called Stamp My Name.
What's the name?
Stamp My Name.
Stamp your name in the ground. You want in the mud. You want to know your name.
Nah, it's more like within anything like your craft, like you stamp your name on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
it's like a bigger message within the song.
Okay. Well, we definitely want to, play a part in helping your fan base grow. So tell us where we can follow you on social media.
PFW Mr. Zigzag SMO.
Okay. PFW,
Mr. Zigzag
Mr. Zigzag,
SMO.
SMO is where you can follow him. We are here live again for Informer Magazine.